Introduce features interest for Freezimer Ice Maker's Countertop, 33 pounds/24 hours, portable ice maker machine countertop, 9 cubes ready in 7 to 10 minutes, 2 size ice cubes. Self-cleaning ice machine with ice scoop, basket and measuring cup. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Freezimer Countertop Ice Maker with 33 pounds of ice per day for your daily needs. Ice basket can store as much as 3.3 pounds/120 pieces of ice at a time. If a cup of coffee needs 5 to 10 ice cubes, ice maker machine with 2.8-liter water tank can satisfy 185 to 370 cups a day. Popular bullet-shaped ice cubes produced by Freezimer portable ice maker are not easy to melt or stick, and 2 different sizes of ice cubes, small/large, available to be selected. Great for barbecue, basement bars, coffee shop, home party, and others. The Ice Machine Maker Countertop adopt powerful compressor with thicker PU, 26 grams R600. A refrigerant makes refrigeration system stable and efficient. Just 7 to 10 minutes to get 9 PCS bullet-shaped ice cubes. Enjoy fresh chilled wine, whiskey, beer, juice, soda all day long. Ice Maker's Countertop with self-cleaning function that greatly facilitates your daily maintenance work. You only need to add water to the reservoir and select clean mode to start the auto-cleaning function. After cleaning, the drain plug at the bottom of ice machine can be removed to drain the water. The compact small ice maker adopts advanced infrared sensor technology, whether it's running out of water or the ice basket reaching its max capacity. It will stop working and the indicator light will light red. A perfect Christmas gift for your family and friends who like chilled beer or beverages. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.